Now in the next practical that we can do, the aim of the practical is to see whether light is indeed necessary for photosynthesis. Now, what would we need? We would need a destarched potted plant, a plant that has been left in a dark cupboard for about 48 hours. And you will see that we have now placed foil over parts of the leaf, blocking out light under the foil. You can decide exactly what pattern you would like to make. What you would also need is all the apparatus that you have used previously to test for the presence of starch in a green leaf. The method of this practical would be, once you have destarched the plant and covered parts of those leaves, you would allow this pot plant in the sunlight for at least 4 to 8 hours. Once we have done that, I would remove a leaf from that pot plant and repeat the test for the presence of starch in the leaf. When doing this practical, it is important to emphasize what the result of this practical will be. After testing for the presence of starch, we will see the following. After doing the test for starch, the last step in the test of starch is when we place iodine solution onto the pale leaf. On this side, we will see that there was an immediate positive color change. Iodine solution changed to blue-black. But on this side, you can see that iodine solution stayed the brownish color. Now, when doing this practical, our aim was to see whether light is necessary. So this part of the leaf that was left uncovered would be the experiment, but the part of the leaf that was covered by foil would then serve as the control of this experiment. Once we have our results and we have observed that when light was allowed, we saw that a positive color change occurred, and when light was not allowed, the covered parts did not change color. We can now take those results and see that our conclusion would be light is definitely necessary for photosynthesis.